Hello everyone, now that I've completed my workout, I will begin my cool down routine and recovery stretches. Cooling down is important because it helps the body return to its normal resting state gradually. It lowers the heart rate slowly and prevents dizziness or sudden fatigue after exercise. Cooling down also helps reduce muscle soreness, improves flexibility, and allows the muscles to relax and recover properly. Recovery stretches are helpful because they improve blood circulation and reduce muscle tension after physical activity. A proper cool down keeps the body healthy and helps prevent injuries. That concludes my cool down routine. Overall, the workout was moderately difficult but manageable. Some exercises were challenging, especially during the cardio movements, because they required endurance and energy. However, the warm-up helped prepare my body and the cool down helped me recover afterward. I felt my muscles working and my breathing become faster during the activity, but I was still able to complete the workout successfully. This experience showed me the importance of proper exercise, preparation, and recovery. After completing the workout, my post-exercise heart rate is 100 beats per minute. Thank you.